Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to unbox Tomorrow by Together's official light stick. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've been waiting for this light stick for like so long. I've been wanting this for so long, to be honest, because on August 13th, okay, TXT is coming to the Philippines in Bulacan and Philippine Arena. So yeah, we're gonna open the light stick now. I'm very excited. So as you can see, it's like there's like a slit at the top because like when we arrived there, I actually got it in like Virgin Megastore, and apparently in Virgin Megastore, like there was this like one mall that only had the TXT light stick, and I was honestly panicking because I was like, if it runs out in that one mall, I'm done for. I'm so done. I cannot even find any other light sticks. But anyway, yeah, it's open because the other customers really wanted to see what's like, you know, like how it works or anything, if it works. But like the good thing is though that the light stick is still in good condition because thankfully that one nice guy who helped us, he actually like gave us a very nice opportunity in opening like the box and seeing if the light stick actually works. So it works. Okay, so like he's so nice, you know. Like I'm very thankful that he made us like test if it works and see which one is better, because there were only 2 light sticks left, and I get to choose on which one I want and which one is actually like better. Okay, so anyway, let's go on. So here's the TXT light stick. As you can see, this is my first ever light stick actually. So these doesn't have any batteries yet, but yeah. So anyway, I really like how TXT light stick is like so cute. Like look, it's like a T and then a T and then there's like an X right there. It's so cute. And then like these are the buttons. It's like so cute. And it'll say TXT, like what? It's so cute. Okay. And then here's like the back, and then here's like where you put the batteries and stuff. It's really nice. Okay. So like there's like this I don't really know what you call it, but you can actually like put it inside. Like you can put this stick inside. So you just click these 2 buttons at the side right here, and then you just put it in. Whoa, okay. Now this is how you bring the TXT light stick to any place that you want. It's very easy to basically like bring this light stick anywhere because it's like it can become small. It can become a mini light stick or something. Like yeah. Then you just press the 2 buttons again, and then it will just go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know it sounds scary, to be honest, because when I first did it, I was so scared because I was like, why is it not going down? And like, why does it feel like I'm breaking it? But honestly, I didn't. So we have the light stick, the manual, the this is like the strap thing that you can put around, and the bag that they provide. Yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's set up the light stick first, actually. So right here's the light stick, and here's like the bag and the strap. Okay, so the bag is actually very like, it's very big, as you can see. What I really like though is that this thing folds, right? So when it folds, you can just put it in here and then make it very, you know, this is just so fragile, so you just need a lot of protection, I guess. That is protection that it gives. Even if you're not gonna fold it, it still fits inside anyway. And even if you fold it, again, it still fits. You can just fold this to make it, you know, wrap around, I guess. But like, yeah. And then here's the strap that says Tomorrow by Together. And then here is Moments of Alwaysness. Yeah, we put it here. Just gonna... Okay, this will take some time. So now we have this strap. And yeah. So I really like the strap that they included. It's very cute, you know? So yeah, so that is the strap. Okay, so let's get into the actual light stick. I'm gonna unbox the photo cards later. But like, yeah. So now we're going to try out the light stick. I'm very excited, actually. Okay, so I did prepare AA batteries for this. So this TXT light stick actually needs AA batteries. So we're going to now put in the batteries. So you just click it at the bottom, I guess. Okay. Oh. Okay. So you just put it here, and then the other one is like this. Yeah. So this is how you put in the light stick. No, the batteries. Wait, is this even correct? I don't... Wait, no, it's not. I put the batteries in the wrong way, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, no, it's like this. Okay. So we put it like that. Hey, that's how you do it. So you just, yeah. Okay. Okay, so now we already put in the batteries. So now we're going to basically try it out. Okay, so when you turn it on, you will click the green button. Wow, okay. Oh, this is so cute. I can't. Okay, so this is actually like the color of the TXT light stick. So yeah, we will now click the T so we can have the different modes. Okay, so that is the, I guess, slow. That is like kind of like fast flashing, and this is the super fast flashing. And yeah, it's back to normal. Okay, so we're going to try this with the lights off. So we're gonna try this with the lights off. Without the Bluetooth, you can actually change the colors. So you just click the button 1 or the T at the top, long press, and it'll become green. So you click the button 3 just one time, and it changes colors. So there is like blue, dark blue. Oh, this is cool. Okay, this is pink. It's so cute. Oh, this is red. Okay, my eyes kind of hurt, but like that's red, orange, and back to green. Okay, you can actually change the modes as well. So for example, we will do like dark blue. No, let's do pink. Okay, wait, no. Let's do red, yeah? Okay, so red, you will click the T button, this one, the very top one, and it changes the modes. That's so cool. Flashing, you can even change it to warning, by the way, for the flashing. Change it to green, slow, a bit fast, and faster, and normal. That's so cool. Okay, so I'm very excited to use like this mode, especially when I'm around a lot of MOAs or when I'm in like a TXT event or basically a concert. It's called Discover MOA from the manual. So you just click this button and it turns green, and everybody's light stick will literally become green. Cause like I really like this idea. It's so cute, you know? So whoever has the TXT light stick, it will basically flash like this in the same time, and that's when you know that a MOA is around you. And that is honestly so cute, you know? So let us turn on the lights again. Yeah, so this is the light stick now. It's so cute. Okay, we will turn it off. Now we will move on with the photo cards. Okay, so we will just take out this one. So these photo cards are actually like so big. Compared to my hands though, these are like, they're very big actually. So here's Subin. Here's Yeonjun, Hyunkai, Bumgyu, and Taehyun. As you can see, here's the back. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so those are the photo cards. Okay, so now we're going to move on with the bag. Okay, so I showed earlier that the bag is actually very big, as you can see. So you can actually put your light stick like just like that, like, you know. So you can actually put your light stick just, you know, fully without like folding it. So you can just like put it in like this, and then you just pull these. So we already folded it, as you can see. We already shrinked it. Oh, what was that sound? Anyway, that sound scared me. And then you just do it like that, and then you can just put it in your bag. So like, yeah, this light stick is so fragile, so like just put it, wrap it around something, and basically like that. Yeah, it's literally more easier if you just fold it though, because like honestly you can just wrap it around like this and then put it in your bag, and then it will be secured. It won't break or anything. So I really like how they thought of that, to be honest. It's a really good idea. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you really liked the unboxing. I'm very excited to use this light stick, and I'm very excited to just see TXT live. So yeah, I hope I see you guys, some of you guys, or you know, the people who are watching this. If you guys are gonna go to TXT actsweetmirage Philippine Arena on August 13. Please comment down below. I really am excited to see you guys, and let's have a lot of fun on August 13. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified for our latest videos.